Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to create a funnel in Kajabi. Funnels are essential for guiding your audience through a structured journey, whether you're launching a product, offering a freebie, or building a waitlist, and Kajabi makes this process incredibly straightforward. First, open your web browser and navigate to kajabi.com. If you're not already logged in, enter your Kajabi credentials to access your admin dashboard. This is your central hub for managing all aspects of your online business, from courses to marketing campaigns. Once you're in, take a look at the top left corner of your screen. If you manage multiple sites under your Kajabi account, you'll see your site name displayed there. Click on it to ensure you're working on the correct site. This step is important because any funnel you create will be tied to the specific site you have selected. Now direct your attention to the left-hand navigation panel. Click on Marketing and an expanded menu will appear with several options. From this menu, select Funnels. This section is where all your funnel magic happens, allowing you to create automated sequences that nurture and convert your audience. You'll now be on the Funnels page. Look toward the top right corner of your screen and click the button that says New Funnel. Kajabi will present you with several funnel types to choose from, including waitlist funnels, freebie funnels, sales pages, and product launch sequences. Scroll through the available options to see what aligns best with your current marketing goal. Each funnel type is pre-designed to serve a specific purpose, so choose the one that fits your needs. Once you've made your selection, click Get Started. Next, you'll be prompted to enter a name for your funnel. Choose something descriptive that helps you identify its purpose at a glance, especially if you plan to run multiple funnels simultaneously. After entering the name, click Create Funnel. Kajabi will now load and generate your funnel. This may take just a moment, so be patient. Once it's ready, you'll land on the funnel's overview page. Here, you can see each step of your funnel laid out clearly. You have the ability to edit each sequence, customize the emails that go out at different stages, and modify the thank you messages your audience receives. This level of control ensures your funnel feels personal and aligned with your brand voice. And that's it, you've successfully created a funnel in Kajabi. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.